History into Math lesson 1.4. This is the part 2 recording of it. Number 14. In Michael's neighborhood, there is a rectangular pathway that is 152 feet long and 9 feet wide. What is the area of the pathway? Okay, so the numbers we're using are 152 feet, 9 feet, and then what is the area of the pathway is what we're looking for. So, what am I going to do? 152 times 9. So 9 times 2 is, carry the 1, 9 times 5 is, plus 1 is, carry the 4, 9 times 1 is, plus 4 is, the 1,368 feet squared. Or I could do 1,368 square feet, right? So that's how you label area. Number 15, a farmer has a cornfield with 9 rows of corn. Each row has 1,026 corn plants. How many corn plants are there? So we're going to use 9, 1,026, and then how many corn plants are there is what we're looking for. So what am I going to do? 1,026 times 9. 9 times 6 is? Put the 4, carry the 5. 9 times 2 is? Plus 5 is? Put the 3, carry the 2. 9 times 2 is? Or 9 times 0 is? Plus 2 is? 9 times 1 is? Okay, so our answer is 9,234 plants or corn plants. Martha runs 1,760 yards each day for 3 days. How many yards does she run? So 1,760 yards, 3 days. How many yards does she run is what we're looking for. So I'm going to take what? 1,760 times 3. 3 times 0 is? 3 times 6 is? Carry the 1. 3 times 7 is? Plus 1 is? Carry the 2. 3 times 1 is? Plus 2 is? So 5,280 yards. On your own, number 17. Health and fitness. Darlene walks around her neighborhood. Her daily goal is to walk 4,000 steps. Does Darlene reach her daily goal if she walks around her neighborhood 5 times? Make an estimate to answer the question. So, how many steps does she get in? 852. So, we would estimate that to what? To 900. So, 900 times 5 equals 4,500 steps, right? Okay. So, if she wants to get in 4,000 steps, would she make it? Yes. So, yes. But the only thing is that we went a little higher, right? Okay. So, is there a possibility maybe we'd be wrong? Possibly. What if we did that as our high? If we did a low, what could our low be? 800 times 5, which equals 4,000. So either way, do we know she made enough? Yes. It's 4,000 right on, and then 4,500 is a little above, right? So how many steps does Darlene take if she walks around her neighborhood? So they want us to get the actual answer, right? So 8. Let's go ahead and mark this real quick. It's the low and the high. That was the high estimate, and that was the low estimate. So 852 times 5. 5 times 2 is? Carry the 1. 5 times 5 is? Plus 1 is? Carry the 2. 5 times 8 is? Plus 2 is? So she walks 4,260 steps. Number 18. Marissa solves a multiplication problem but leaves out some work. What are the unknown values of A and B? Explain how you know by describing place values and regrouping. So we're just going to go ahead and work it out. Okay, guys? to find out what A is and what B is. So we're going to write A is here, B is here. So we have 5,912 times 7. So we're going to work it out and just say this is our explanation of steps. 7 times 2 is 14. Carry the 1. 7 times 1 is, plus 1 is 8. 7 times 9 is, put the 3, carry the 6. 7 times 5 is, plus 6 is 41. Okay, so B was what? 1. A was 6. 19, critique reasoning. Francisco solves the multiplication problem that makes an error. What error does he make and what is the correct answer? So let's go ahead and work it out. So 4,315 times 8. 8 times 5 is the 0, carry the 4. 8 times 1 is, plus 4 is, carry the 1. 8 times 3 is, plus 1 is, carry the 2. 8 times 4 is, plus 2 is 34,520. So what did Francisco forget to do? He forgot to regroup the tens to the hundreds, right? Okay. And then of course, since he didn't regroup that, then he didn't add it in, which got him 100 off. Correct? Okay. All right.